Appending items to a list. What we could do is start off with an empty list. So we're going to create ourselves a list of fruits. So we create ourselves a variable name called fruits. We'll assign it to an empty list. So we have to have an open brackets, close bracket, square brackets. Then we're going to actually append some items. So we're going to, first of all, because it's a list of fruits, I'm going to add some apples to it. So we call the variable name. We use the reserve word called append. And within brackets, we place the item we want to add to the list. So I'm going to say some apples. Okay, and then we can print what's in our list. Okay, so what I've done here is I've created an empty list called fruits. I've appended, which is added to the list, apples, item apples, and I'm going to print my list. So I'll go File, Save, Run module. So you can see I've added apples to the list. So we can add some other items as well to the list. So I'm going to append a few more items. Okay, so let's put some plums, and some oranges in our fruits list. So we can save that, File, Save, and we can run. Okay, so what we've got in our lists are apples, plums, and oranges. Into our list. We may want to insert the item into a particular position within our list. So currently, if we run this, we can see that we have apples, plums, and oranges. And apples is at position 0, plums is at position 1, and oranges at position 2. We may want to add another fruit, and we might want that to be at position 0. So how we do that, we use insert. So we use our list name, and we use the reserve word insert. Okay, and then the position where we want it at. So we got 0, and then we'll put the item we want to be placed at position 0. So we're going to put apricots. We want apricots at position 0. Okay, so let's print the fruits after we've inserted our new value. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got the list name fruits. We've used the reserve word insert, and we said we want to insert it at position 0. And so let's look at our new list after that happens. Okay, so you can see the first list has apples, plums, and oranges, and we've said that insert at position 0, apricots. So we've got apricots, apple, plums, and oranges.